Excellence, as always, begins with discipline. Delivering on time, protecting our margins, doing things right the first time, and removing all sorts of inefficiencies. These are not just business practices, they should become habits that actually shape our culture. Profit is a result, it's not a name. Margins are earned through precision, through efficiency, through consistency. Every process we refine, every cost we optimize, contributes to a better product, a happier customer, and a healthier company.
அந்த டிவி கிட்ட வாடா ரைட் சைடு.
At the same time, it's a dynamic world. We have to have selective investment in technology. We have to look at automation. We have to look at analytics that helps us work smarter, boost productivity, manage uncertainties.
வந்தது சொன்னியாடா நீ?
We are, after all, a manpower-intensive business now.
அங்க அவங்க டீம் கூட இருக்காங்க.
As our colleagues mentioned, is extremely important for us. It remains at the heart of our journey.
சூப்பரா இருக்கு தல.
We want to scale up. Our ambition for this year, as Vishant mentioned,